Hello students, in this video you will find classification of element by Dobereiner law of triads. Dobereiner in 1829 classified elements in the group of 3. He arranged element in the group of 3 which is called triad. This group of 3 element is called triad or Dobereiner triad. He arranged element in the order of increasing atomic mass in each triad and observed that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of other 2 elements, and also observed the physical property of the middle element was nearly same to the average physical property of other 2 elements. Now let us see some examples. First example, like lithium, sodium, potassium. Atomic mass of lithium 7, potassium 39. According to Dobereiner law of triad, 7 plus 39 divided by 2 equal to 23. This is the atomic mass of sodium. Then arithmetic mean of these 2 elements, lithium and sodium, this arithmetic mean is equal to the atomic mass of sodium. So next example, number 2, calcium, strontium, barium. Atomic mass of calcium is 40, barium is 137. Then according to Dobereiner law of triads, the arithmetic mean of these two elements, atomic mass 40 plus 137 divided by 2. On adding these two equal to what is coming this total? 177 divided by 2 equal to 88.5. Next, example number 3. Let us see third Dobereiner triad, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These 3. Chlorine atomic mass is 35.5, iodine 127. Arithmetic mean of these 2 atomic masses 35.5 plus 127.5 divided by 2 equal to 81.25. This is the approximate atomic mass. 127 is the approximate atomic mass of bromine. Then these are 3 examples of Dobereiner law of triads. Now next point is merit. Merit of this law. Dobereiner law of triad is very important. It recognizes the relationship between the property of element and its atomic mass. This is the merit, and most important point is this. Second one, rejection, discarded. Reason of rejection of Dobereiner's law of triad. Why Dobereiner's law of triad was discarded, rejected? Reason number 1, Dobereiner failed to arrange all the 63 elements discovered at that time in the form of triad. Second reason, even the elements of the same family did not follow the Dobereiner law of triad, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine. if triad is taken as example, halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, then it was found that in this fluorine, chlorine, bromine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, fluorine atomic mass here 19 and bromine approximate 80, then chlorine is coming 19 plus 80, then divided by 2, arithmetic mean, then it is coming approximate 49.5, which is not the atomic mass of chlorine. 49.5 is far away from the expected atomic mass of chlorine. Then hence this fluorine, chlorine, bromine, this triad, this element of these three elements in the triad don't follow the Dobereiner's law. This is also that I am telling that elements of the same family also did not follow the Dobereiner law of triad. Next point, there was possibility of grouping dissimilar elements. And next point which was important, in the triad there was also found some elements were having almost same atomic masses. This is why Dobereiner law of triad was discarded because of these demerits. That's all for today. Again, next video I will tell you next interesting topic of this chapter. Thank you.